In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and draw on an image in Google Docs. We all know that Google Docs is a powerful tool for creating and sharing documents, but adding a customized image can really enhance your document and make it stand out. So, let's dive right in and learn how you can do this. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and search for Google Docs if you haven't already. Once you find the link to Google Docs, go ahead and open it up. If you're not logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your documents. Once logged in, navigate to the document you want to edit or create a new one if you are starting from scratch. Now, let's get to the part where the magic happens. At the top menu bar of your document, click on Insert, then hover over Drawing, and from there, click on plus New. A new window, the drawing canvas, will pop up. This is the space where you'll be crafting your masterpiece. Next, take a look at the toolbar in this drawing canvas. You're going to click on the image icon, which looks like a mountain landscape. This is the key to inserting your image, and you'll find that you have several options at this point. You can upload an image from your computer, search the web for an image, pull from your drive or photos, paste a URL, or even use your camera to snap a picture directly. Once you have your image inserted on the canvas, it's time to get creative. The drawing tools are at your disposal to add your personal touch. If you want to draw lines, look for the Line tool. It resembles a diagonal line. You can choose to draw straight lines, arrows, or connectors, and if you're feeling artistic, go with the Scribble option for some freehand drawing. Maybe you're interested in adding some shapes. For that, click on the Shapes tool that looks like an overlapping circle and square. Here you can find an assortment of shapes such as rectangles, circles, arrows, callouts, and even equations to include in your drawing. If you want to add text over your image, there's a text box tool in the toolbar that looks like a T in a box. After selecting this tool, draw a box where you want your text and start typing. Remember, you can format your text to make it pop out the way you want. Customization doesn't stop there. You have the ability to adjust the color, thickness, and style of your lines, shapes, and text. Simply select the element you want to modify and use the available options in the toolbar to make your desired changes. Once you're satisfied with your drawing and added elements, you need to click the blue Save and Close button located on the top right corner of the drawing canvas. This action will add your creation directly into your Google document, ready to be admired by all. And there you have it, a beautifully customized image right in your Google Doc. With these simple steps, you can enhance your documents and make your ideas shine. Thanks for tuning in, and happy drawing!